Hi everyone! I took a little break from YouTube, but I have been very busy drawing and working on new lessons. Here are several snippets from my latest video class. A fun and whimsical combination of drawing, coloring, shading and highlighting. You can learn how to create 3D effects using different supplies and techniques by layering them in a specific way. The class includes video-on-demand lessons and a downloadable and printable ebook, and you get an unlimited access to it all. I'll post a link to the video description and you feel free to ask any questions. Sending hugs to you all. Bye!